Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Kia Sorento, you're going to need a trailer wiring harness installed on it. Let's go ahead and break down this trailer wiring install.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
First thing we need to do is take down this body paneling, underbody paneling here. We've got 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one up here, and then 2 nuts, one straight up here and one straight up here. We'll be using a 14 millimeter to take those down. Let's go ahead and get to it. These are just hand tight, so you're not going to need any kind of ratchet, and the nuts will not come all the way off. They just back up to a certain point and then they'll just free spin. So that feels about right there. We'll move over to the next one. Okay. Now we'll get our Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove the plastic fasteners here. You'll have to hold on to the base of the fastener because it'll just sit and spin on you sometimes. So see there, and these will just come out about 3/4 of the way, and then you can just pull straight down. They come right out. We've got one more right back here. I'll go ahead and get that. Okay. Now just pull straight down, come right out. Okay, now that we have the underbody paneling removed, we've exposed the vehicle's OE tow harness plugs. We have one here and one here. And we'll go ahead and just pull them out of place here just to give you a better view. Remove the cap, we're just going to press the button, pull straight out. Next one here out of place. Okay. Press the button, pull straight out. Now we'll grab our harness connectors, plug it right in. You'll hear it click. And now we'll go ahead and put the connectors back into place. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and take our 4 flat portion here. We're going to route it over to the center of the vehicle, right next to the receiver, right in this area here. I'll be going right behind bumper brackets here and following some existing wiring. Okay, now that we have our 4 flat routed right to the center of the bumper area here next to the receiver tube, we're going to find a place to mount it here. Some people will mount the 4 flat to like the safety chain loop here, or just wrap it around the hitch somehow, but that's pretty unattractive. It's a good idea to spend just a couple extra more dollars to get a 4 flat bracket, and this will mount to the bottom of the fascia here, just like that. It's real simple. I'm going to drill a couple holes and then bolt it down. Take a marker here and just mark it after we get it level. Got one hole started there. Put the screw in and then I'll put the backing nut on there. Now that I've got that guy started, I'll go ahead and just drill out the other side here. Make sure we're level. Okay, now we're going to just take our Phillips screwdriver and snug these up. Now simply just take your 4 flat, put it into place there. There's 2 little grooves that it'll lock into. Once you got it locked in, it won't pull back or push forward. Go ahead and put our dust cover back in place here. Now we'll go ahead and just take care of the slack here. We'll just zip tie it up to the couple of brackets back here and some wiring harnesses. Okay, now that we have the entire harness in place, and we're going to go ahead and put our underbody paneling back on. Now we'll take our fasteners here, just plug them back in, screw it back in. Okay, and that's it for our trailer wiring harness install. You can see it's got a really nice clean look with the bracket here and dust cover. When you're ready to use it, you just pull off the dust cover. Okay, and that's it, folks. Thank you for watching our video. Have fun and be safe.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.